Larry Migliete, the husband of missing Chula Vista mom Maya Migliete, is now in custody, accused of her murder. Joining us right now, Chula Vista Police Chief Roxana Kennedy. Chief, good morning. Thanks for taking the time.
Good morning.
I'd say this was a long time coming, but perhaps that's an understatement. How do you feel this morning?
Well, it's kind of bittersweet in a way because it's been 9 months of very intense behind the scenes work, and when I saw Mary Chris yesterday break down, it was extremely emotional because really this is truly a tragedy because this was one of her family members. This was her brother-in-law that murdered her sister. So it really isn't a win any way that you look at it. And we're just in the very beginning of a step towards justice right now. So we still have a lot of work to do.
You know, you mentioned behind the scenes, 9 months, investigation, meticulous police investigation here. This case was in the public eye, a lot of scrutiny, a lot of media coverage where people saying, well, why hasn't this happened? Why hasn't that? People want instant gratification, perhaps not understanding. This has taken 9 months of police work to get to this point. Was it frustrating at some point for you that you keep hearing everybody talking about why aren't you doing this and why aren't you guys doing more?
It can be extremely frustrating, and I give so much credit to our detectives, our crimes of violence team. You know, this impacted our entire department. It just didn't impact one division. Our dispatchers who took the call, the officers who responded to the scene. There was so much that went into this in-depth analysis, and overwhelming evidence finally led us to the point where it was appropriate to make an arrest. And so when you listen to the community, sometimes I understand people's frustrations. We are in an instant gratification type of a world right now. But here's the challenge. Our department is never going to arrest someone or put them behind bars unless they deserve to be there. And so we are going to do everything in this case to make sure that we bring justice to May. And so we didn't compromise the investigation at all. We took the higher road, even when it was harder to take the higher road, when we were receiving criticism. But this is what cops do. This is what we do behind the scenes. Sometimes people, when they see something happening, they think, oh, work is being done. When they don't see it, they make an assumption that nothing is happening. And I can tell you right now, no stone has been left unturned. And we're continuing to work on this case. And I cannot thank enough our law enforcement partners here in San Diego County, NCIS, the FBI, the Cold Case Foundation, as well as the district attorney's office, which they have been unbelievable in this. So it really took an entire team and a unified partnership to make sure that we did not leave any stone unturned.
And the case became so big and so much help has come in. I wanted to talk to you. We had a lawyer earlier speaking to the circumstantial evidence. You did use the word, there is an overwhelming amount of evidence. And obviously, you're not going to give all that away at a press conference like we did yesterday. You just give some information, and there's a lot more that you hold off for a trial. But the body has not been found. Do you feel like you guys are close to finding it? Is there a chance of finding it after all this time? And how difficult will it be to prosecute a case like this?
Well, I have tremendous confidence and faith in our district attorney's office, and anyone who knows Summer Stephan knows that we wouldn't be at this point with an arrest warrant unless there was enough circumstantial evidence to prove this case beyond a reasonable doubt. So I feel extremely confident in that area. And of course, we're not going to share all the details because this case needs to be tried, and we don't want to jeopardize putting out information that could complicate the case. So there's a part of the whole process that has to stay quiet and let it play out in the court system. As far as finding her body, I am hopeful. Can I guarantee that we're going to find it? No, this is a difficult case. It's extremely challenging. And that's why Summer was able to put out the information that she did yesterday. And anyone with any information, as she stated, of a Lexus G460, I believe it is, or GX460, black in color with a personalized license plate of Melanie, please, if you saw that vehicle anywhere on January 8th, we ask that you either call Crime Stoppers or you call the Chula Vista Police Department, and I can provide you those numbers if you need them right now, or we can put it up later for the public.
Yeah, we could put that up on our website, of course.
Okay,
it's
very
important. It's a sad state of affairs that whenever you see stories like this, how it always comes, and you guys know this as a police department, and we know it here in the media, where it's usually somebody very close to the victim, sadly. Domestic violence has been talked about yet again based on the fact that she wanted a divorce in 2020, and it led to what is happening now. This is still such a massive problem. This is what police see every single day when you guys go out on calls. How big is this issue?
Well, sadly, it's our number 2 call for service, so it is significant. And also, what I want people to understand is oftentimes people are embarrassed, ashamed, or you have to understand, people are in a relationship because they love each other, and it always usually starts out perfect, and then something happens throughout their relationship where it goes sour. And sometimes people share information with us, but oftentimes, many times, there is silence. And that silence, and even neighbors sometimes hear something, but I'm not really sure, or I don't want to get involved. And there are ways for you to get involved anonymously, to share information, at least so that we can go out there and see if something's happening. We can offer resources. It's really important that we break this silence and end the violence. And, I don't know if you had a chance. It was an extremely emotional day for my officers. It was emotional for me. It was emotional for the family, because we feel like we become a part of the Mays family right now. And we understand, my detectives up in the Crimes of Violence Unit, they have Mays picture everywhere. And that happens for all of our victims, because we connect with them. We become deeply involved in these cases. And I think sometimes people forget about that. They think law enforcement is not human and it doesn't impact us. My detectives say, especially homicide detectives, they speak for those who cannot speak anymore. And so it was pretty tough. It's pretty tough for everyone involved, and we want to see justice served, and we want to have May come home to her family. And as a mother, when I spoke yesterday and started talking about a mother being gone and a family being broken and the community being left with answers and questions and confusion, it really affects us all, but most importantly, it affects May's family, because they loved and cared for her. So, and I think about the children as well. It's just been very, very, very difficult.
You said it there. I was going to mention it. And what about the kids? They haven't had their mom this whole time, and their dad is now in jail. Police Chief Roxana Kennedy, as always, we thank you. I know it's been a very difficult past day or so and past 9 months, so we appreciate the time as always.
Thank you so much, and please help us find May.
Indeed.